My name's Trent Biggs. I'm a professor in the Department of Geography here at San Diego State, and I've been here since 2007. My research is predominantly focused on the impacts of land use change on water quality and quantity, in particular as it impacts human health and ecosystems. And the project I'll be focusing on today with the students is developing a real-time water quality monitoring system for the San Diego River and the Tijuana estuary. Every time you go out into the field, there's going to be 2 to 5 students involved in collecting data, involved in collecting samples, and then those samples come back to the lab and there's another 2 or 3 students involved in processing those samples. And then Emily and Olivia's primary focus has been on synthesizing that data and making sense of it to understand what the data are telling us about the health of the river and our ability to monitor its health in real time.
My name is Emily Deerdorf, and I'm a first-year master's student in the Department of Geography, and I'm studying watershed science. One of the things I really appreciate about the way Trent mentors is that he sets high expectations and he asks us to do challenging things. So I never feel like I have to ask for harder work, like there's a lot to be done and it's challenging, but he's always there to step in and help solve problems when I need it.
My name is Olivia Griffin. I'm a 4th-year undergrad and my major is environmental science. So actually working with equipment, I had heard about like the auto sampler and the sonde and like stream morphology in textbooks, but it wasn't really until I went into the field that I actually learned more in depth about it. I'm very hands-on and visual, so like actually being able to see it and working with it, it really made me realize like, oh, this is what the textbooks were saying.
So Emily brings to the project a leadership quality and a sense of optimism and persistence. And Olivia has been extremely dependable and enthusiastic.
The best part of leading people is when you finally get to learn from them too. I can kind of let them take the reins, and I'm still there to provide equipment, but their aspect of the project is their own.
So Trent and Emily have been really helpful. One thing I like kind of about both of them is they don't necessarily give me the direct answer. They'll help me and they'll point me in the right directions and give me the right resources.
Personally, it's gratifying for me to see the students grow and to gain confidence that they are now the experts.